The Acholi Cultural Institution and clan chiefs are up in arms with some community leaders in Amuru district for allegedly taking over the land rights of local residents. Their concerns are related to the acquisition of land for a multi-billion sugarcane factory in Amuru district by the Madvani group.
Some of these community representatives in this representative seat have joined the squatters in the project area. Other cartel of squatters I've referred to are a formidable lobby. They are usurping the community rights.
On the 4th of November, DP President Norbert Mao and the Lands Minister Betty Amongi visited the area to persuade the locals to offer the land for development. The minister convened a meeting with the residents, but her plea for them to give in to the investors' request fell on deaf ears. Now the Pagak clan chief, Rot Justin Binyi, says the meeting that took place disregarded a court order.
When the appeal was launched, there was a stay of execution, and that essentially means all related activities should be put on hold.
However, Amongi stressed in the meeting held earlier this month that the event was a community engagement and a fact-finding mission aimed at getting to the bottom of the land dispute.
So this is an engagement with the community, a fact-finding mission to understand whether or not they consent to giving the land and whether or not they have conditions within which they would want the land to be given.
In the meeting of 4th November, it was agreed that the local residents be given 1 month to come up with resolutions. But Rot Binyi believes a powerful cartel is out to grab their land.
There is a powerful cartel of land grabbers. And these are the people who are now calling themselves the landowners. How? How on earth?
Amongi revealed that the court case has not yet been disposed of.
At the moment, all the parties know that the case has not yet been disposed of. Because for it to be disposed of, we must agree on this proposed settlement deed. And when we agree, then we sign it, then it becomes registered in the courts of law, and that is when it is settled.
Many residents are skeptical about the sugarcane project, but the Lands Minister says the compensation will be fair.
Under the law, they will be compensated adequately and promptly and fairly. Secondly, we will ensure that they get alternative resettlement. Thirdly, the socio-economic benefits, we are supposed to negotiate with them together.
The Acholi Cultural Institution had earlier demanded to take part in the negotiations between the government and the locals of Lamoji sub-county to ensure that the poor landowners get a fair deal. Rot Binyi says the plan to parcel out the land was crafted way back during the insurgency of the Lord's Resistance Army, when many Acholis were in internally displaced people's camps.
When we were in the IDPs, there were people busy identifying and scheming with the clear intention to dispossess us permanently.
In 2012, the people of Lamongi sub-county petitioned the High Court in Gulu to stop the government from allocating the land for the sugarcane factory. But the court ruled in favor of the government, prompting the locals to appeal against the ruling. Andwarinitwe, NTV Weekend Edition.